Imagine this. Your engine looks fine, sounds fine, and drives fine until one day it just quits. No check engine light, no smoke, no warning. Just a sudden breakdown that costs you thousands of dollars. The worst part? It didn't have to happen. Because while you were changing the oil and topping off the coolant, you were still doing tiny things, daily habits that were silently, relentlessly destroying your engine. And the crazy part? Almost every driver does at least 5 of these every single week. Stick around, because habit number 7 is the silent killer mechanics never mention, but it's responsible for more engine failures than any recall in history. 1. Revving the engine right after startup. The engine is cold. You're in a hurry. You twist the key or hit the button and immediately slam the gas to get it going. Bad move. When you start your car, the oil takes about 30 seconds to fully circulate through the engine and reach critical components. Revving the engine before the oil fully coats those moving parts creates dry friction, metal grinding against metal. That kind of abuse adds up fast, especially in older engines with worn seals and looser tolerances. According to experts at Mobil 1 and multiple SAE, Society of Automotive Engineers studies, premature engine wear can occur within the first 60 seconds after a cold start, especially if revved hard. Instead, start the engine, let it idle for 30 seconds, and then drive gently for the first 5-10 minutes. This simple habit can extend your engine life by years. But most drivers don't know or don't care, and that indifference can be fatal for your engine. 2. Using cheap or incorrect engine oil. Not all oils are created equal, and using the wrong one is like feeding your body junk food every day. It might run now, but it won't last. High-mileage engines often require synthetic or high-mileage specific oil with detergent packages designed to clean sludge and fill micro-gaps in worn parts. Using low-grade oil, or the wrong viscosity, like 10W40 when your car needs 5W30, causes improper lubrication, overheating, and sludge buildup. And yes, many quick lube shops use generic bulk oil that might not meet your engine's OEM spec. So even if you're getting regular oil changes, you could still be killing your engine slowly. 3. Ignoring the air filter. If your engine can't breathe, it can't perform. And worse, it starts suffocating on dust, dirt, and debris. Your air filter is like your car's lungs. When it's clogged, your engine has to work harder to draw air in, leading to poor combustion, lower fuel economy, and increased internal wear. An old, dirty air filter causes the air-fuel ratio to go off balance, which means your spark plugs get dirty, your engine misfires, and over time, your catalytic converter can overheat or even fail. That's a $1,000 plus repair waiting to happen. Experts recommend checking the air filter every 15,000 miles, or more often if you drive in dusty environments. It's a cheap 5-minute fix that can save you thousands in long-term engine damage. 4. Short trip syndrome. This one's sneaky, and most people don't realize how damaging it is. If you're only driving your car for 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, you're actually starving your engine. Engines need time to reach full operating temperature to burn off moisture, unburned fuel, and carbon deposits. When you drive short distances, the engine never gets hot enough, and those contaminants build up. The result? Sludge, rust inside the crankcase, failed PCV valves, and premature wear on engine internals. Worst case? Your oil turns into a thick paste that clogs everything. If you drive short trips often, take your car on a 20 to 30-minute highway run once a week to give it a full heat cycle. It's not just good for the engine, it's essential for keeping it clean inside. 5. Letting your gas tank run too low. Running your tank near empty isn't just risky, it's destructive. Your fuel pump lives inside the gas tank and relies on gasoline to stay cool and lubricated. When you run low on gas consistently, that pump runs dry and starts overheating. Over time, this leads to premature pump failure, a repair that can cost upwards of $800 depending on your vehicle. Not to mention, the lower your fuel level, the more sediment from the bottom of the tank gets sucked into your fuel filter or injectors. If you're driving a high-mileage car, that debris buildup can lead to clogged injectors, misfires, and poor fuel atomization, causing inefficient combustion and added engine strain. Keep your tank above 1.4 full, not just for emergencies, but for your engine's health. 6. Ignoring oil leaks and minor drips. A little drip under the car might not seem like a big deal. Maybe it's just a drop or two after parking overnight. But here's the harsh truth. Those little leaks are a massive red flag, especially in high-mileage engines. What starts as a harmless valve, cover gasket leak can turn into a low-oil situation that starves your engine of lubrication. Low oil doesn't just cause heat and friction, it can lead to complete engine seizure. If your oil light comes on, it's already too late. You've lost significant oil pressure. Even worse, a slow leak could drip onto hot engine components, increasing the risk of an engine fire. And if it leaks into the alternator or other electrical parts, you could be looking at widespread electrical failure. Bottom line, check under your car weekly. If you see fresh oil spots, don't ignore them. Fix the source. The cost of a new gasket is a fraction of an engine rebuild. 7. Overheating and not addressing it immediately. This is one of the most catastrophic habits, ignoring or pushing through an overheating episode. Modern engines have tighter tolerances and are often made from aluminum, which warps easily under heat. So if you drive an overheating car, even for a minute, you could be warping the cylinder head, blowing the head gasket, or even cracking the engine block. The cost? A full engine replacement, or a 2,000 plugs repair just for the head gasket alone. Signs of overheating aren't just limited to a hot temp gauge. You might notice steam, a sweet smell, coolant, or the AC suddenly blowing warm. If any of that happens, pull over immediately. Shut off the engine, let it cool. Driving just a little further could total your car. Experts from the Car Care Council and ASE certified mechanics all agree one overheating event can do more damage than 50,000 miles of normal use. 8. Topping off old oil instead of changing it. Yes, your engine burns a little oil. That's normal for older cars. But if your solution is just topping it off every couple weeks instead of changing it, you're asking for trouble. Old oil contains contaminants, metal particles, fuel dilution, and moisture. When you add fresh oil on top, you're not refreshing it, you're just diluting the problem. It's like putting clean water into a dirty fish tank. This leads to increased sludge buildup, clogged oil passages, and eventual engine starvation. Your oil may look full, but it's no longer lubricating properly. If your engine burns oil, change it more frequently, every 3,000 miles or sooner. Use high-mileage oil and consider additives like Lucas Oil Stabilizer that help condition seals and slow down burn-off. Remember, dirty oil is a slow killer. It's better to spend $50 on a change than $5,000 on a rebuild. 9. Neglecting the cooling system. Many drivers think about their engine and oil, but forget the cooling system entirely. That's a huge mistake. Your radiator, water pump, thermostat, and coolant hoses all work together to regulate engine temperature. When one part starts failing, the rest are not far behind. Coolant degrades over time. It becomes acidic, loses its anti-corrosion properties, and stops protecting your engine. And when that happens, you're looking at corrosion, scale buildup, Overheating and leaks. Flush your cooling system every 2 to 3 years or 30,000 miles. Use the correct type of coolant. Don't just mix green, orange, or universal types unless they're compatible. And replace the thermostat and radiator cap if they're older than 5 years. A well-maintained cooling system can add 100,000 plus miles to your engine's life. But one ignored thermostat can take it all away. 10. Using low-quality fuel from sketchy stations. That no-name gas station might save you 10 cents per gallon, but what's it costing your engine? Fuel quality matters. Low-grade or contaminated fuel can clog injectors, damage the fuel pump, and leave carbon deposits throughout your intake system. Top-tier fuel brands like Chevron, Shell, and Exxon use higher levels of detergents that clean your engine as you drive. In contrast, off-brand fuels may lack these cleaners, and in some cases contain water or ethanol levels that exceed recommendations. If you drive a turbocharged or high-compression engine, fuel quality is even more critical. Using cheap gas can cause knock, pre-ignition, and eventually damage pistons and valves. Stick with reputable stations. Use fuel system cleaners every 5,000 miles, especially if you notice hesitation or reduced mileage. You might save $3 at the pump, but end up spending $3,000 at the shop. Your engine isn't just a block of metal. It's a finely tuned machine made up of thousands of moving parts. Every little habit, good or bad, leaves a mark. And while catastrophic failures make headlines, it's the slow killers, the little habits repeated daily, that take down most engines quietly. So if your goal is to hit 200,000, 300,000, or even 500,000 miles, don't just change the oil. Change the habits. Stop revving cold. Don't ignore leaks. Respect the engine, and it will reward you with reliability most drivers only dream of. Now, here's where we need you. Which of these habits surprised you the most? Or be honest, how many of these bad habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to see a follow-up video on the best habits that extend engine life, type "Long live my engine" in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next video might just save you thousands in car repairs.